Hello students, today in this video I shall discuss about practical problems of income and expenditure account. In this video we will solve three numerical problems. Now in the screen you see the question, pause the video and note down the question.
Here we write name of the club in the books of Tejpur Club. Income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2017. Write debit, credit, expenditure, amount, unit measurement rupees, income. So as I told earlier, first we have to write the subscription. So by subscription, how much subscription receipt is rupees 20,000. Next, in the additional information, subscription receipt include rupees 5,000 for 2015-16, that is relating to past year, and 2,000 for 17-18, that is relating to future year, and subscription for 2016-17 received in 2015-16, that is our current year is 2016 and 17. So subscription received, subscription 2016-17 received in 2015-16, that is it is related to current year. So at first we had deduct the relating to previous year, that is for 2015-16 is rupees 5,000. Here 15,000. Next, less for 2017-18 rupees 2,000. Total is 13,000. Next, subscription for 2016-17, that is it is relating to current year, so it will be added. Add for 2016-17 received in 2015-16 rupees 8,000. Total amount is 21,000. Next, here entrance fees. Entrance fee, in the question here it is mentioned in the additional information, total entrance fees and life membership fees are to be capitalized, that is they are capital in nature. So capital in nature will not come in the income and expenditure account. Next, donation for clubhouse, it is also capital in nature. Life membership fees is also capital in nature, and in the additional information here it is given also. Then maintenance grant, so by maintenance grant amount is rupees 6,000. Next, capital grant, that is capital L. Sale of furniture. Next, sale of furniture is rupees 1000, and in the additional information here it is given book value of furniture sold on that date of sale was 1500. That is, book value of the furniture was rupees 1500 and it is sold at rupees 1000. That is loss. So loss and expenses come under expenditure side. So to loss on sale of furniture rupees 1500 minus 1000 equal to rupees 500. Next, I missed one thing is donation receipt. Donation receipt is revenue in nature. So by donation receipt, amount is rupees 18,000. Next, payment side, salaries. So two salaries. Next, rent and taxes. So two rent and taxes. Amount is rupees 6,000 for rent and taxes, and for salaries it is 12,000. Next, electricity charges. So two electricity charges. Amount is rupees 3,000. Next, sports goods purchase, it is capital in nature. Annual dinner. So two annual dinner. Amount is rupees 5,000. Next, construction of clubhouse, it is also capital in nature. Any construction is considered as capital in nature. Next, sundry expenses. So two sundry expenses. Amount is rupees 2,000. Next is payment for outstanding expenses, as it is payment but it is outstanding expenses. Outstanding means it is outstanding, currently outstanding means it is related to previous year. So payment of outstanding expenses means is related to previous year, so it will not be considered in the income and expenditure account. Next, cash in hand. So it is closing balance, so it will not come. Okay, next, in the additional information here it is given depreciation of sports goods is 2,500. So to depreciation on sports goods, depreciation on sports goods is rupees 2,500. So total credit side is rupees 45,000 and total debit side is rupees 31,000. So we do balancing. $45,000 and here it is 45,000. So difference is rupees 14,000. 14,000. So to surplus, excess of income over expenditure.
Here you see the solution of first question. Now on the screen you are watching the second question. You note down the question.
Name of the club is not given, so we write the account name in the income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2017. Here credit, debit, expenditure, rupees, income, rupees. As I told you, first we have to write subscription. So by subscription, amount is rupees 8,000 and additional information also given. So we write in the inner column 8,000. Sorry, subscription amount is rupees 6,000. Here it is in the other information, subscription outstanding amounted to rupees 500. So it will be added. So add outstanding. Add outstanding rupees 500. Total is 6,500. Next, in the that is debit side, to balance, opening balance is excluded in the income and expenditure account. Then donation, to donation, here in the additional information, it was decided that 1/2 of the amount of legacies and donations would be treated as income. So 50% will come and 50% will not. So donation by donations 50%, half. That is, donation amount is 8,000, half is 4,000. Next, endowment fund receipt. Endowment fund is capital in nature. Next, legacies by legacies. Legacies 50%. That is 6,000. 50% is 3,000. Next, interest on investment. Here one thing you have to take it seriously or focus especially. Here interest on investment in the credit side. Here endowment fund investment. Endowment fund is capital in nature, and interest on investment, that is, it is this income is derived from the endowment fund, so it will added with the endowment fund in the balance sheet, so it will not considered in the income and expenditure account. Next, to interest on deposit. So by interest on deposit amount is rupees 200. Next, sale of old newspaper. So by sale of old newspapers, amount is rupees 10. Next, in the credit side, charities. So to charities amount is rupees 5,000. Next, salaries. To salaries. Here in the additional information, it is given salaries include rupees 50 relating to 2017-18. That is, our current year is 2016-17, and here in the question it is mentioned 2017-18. That is 17-18 is the future year, so it is deduct. The deduction will be made the prepaid, that is prepaid rupees 39,050. Next is rent and taxes. So 2 rent and taxes. Here in the question it is mentioned that rupees 200 are owing for rent. Owing means outstanding. So rent and taxes is rupees 800 at owing means outstanding, so it will be added rupees 1000. Next, contribution to PM relief fund. So contribution to relief fund is expenditure. So contribution to PM's fund amount is 1600. Next, purchase of furniture, it is capital in nature. Advance to staff, in the current year we are paying, that means paying in advance, that is paying for next year, so it is not related to current year. Next, by advance against contract for, that is here it is again it is advance, so advance means for next year. And construction, so construction is capital in nature. Next, endowment fund, as I told earlier, endowment fund is capital in nature. So payment of outstanding expenses, payment it is relating to current year, but outstanding expenses means we are paying, outstanding expenses means we are paying for last year, the amount is for the last year, so it is not relating to current year. Okay, then in the additional information, interest on investment accrued but not received was rupees 1000. As I told earlier, interest on investment is received from the endowment fund investment. So endowment fund investment is capital in nature, and income generated from that fund is also capital in nature. Next, depreciate furniture by rupees 300, so it is non-cash expenditure. So to depreciation on furniture is amounted is rupees 300. So total credit side is rupees 13,710, and total debit side is rupees 11,850. So difference is 1,860. So to surplus. Excess of income total is 13,710.
Now on the screen you are watching the full solution of problem number 2. Now we solve the third numerical problem. First of all, you note down the question.
For saving the time, I solve the question. Now I discuss how I solve the question. So as in the books of Sunrise Club have written, as earlier total format is written. Now as I told, at first we have to write in the income side subscription. So in the question, subscription is rupees 20,000. In the additional information here it is given, subscription received include rupees 500 for 2015-16, and our accounting year is 2015. 17, that is ending in 31st March 2017, that is our accounting year is 2016-17. Our accounting year is 2016-17. So for 2015-16, that is it is relating to previous year, so less. Next, rupees 2000 for 2017-18. 17-18 is future year, so it is less. Next, and subscription for 2016-17 received in 2015-16 means current year subscription is received in the previous year, so received in 2015-16 means amount is relating to current year, that is 2016-17, so it is added. Next, entrance fees. In the question it is mentioned 50% of the entrance fees and total life membership fees are to be capitalized, that is 15% is capitalized and 50% is capital revenue in nature. So total entrance fee is rupees 1000, 50% is 500, so 50% of 1000 is 500. And next, receive from sale of refreshment. Receive from sale of refreshment is 8000, and in the payment side, here it is mentioned expenses on refreshment is 6000, so receipt is greater than expenses, so in the income side we will add receive from refreshment, sale of refreshment is 8000, and we less the expenses, less expenses on refreshment is rupees 6000, total income is rupees 2000. Next, life membership fees, that is 2 life membership fees, as it is mentioned in the question, 50% is capitalized in nature, 50% is revenue in nature. Next, maintenance grants. Maintenance grant, as I discussed in my previous video, then maintenance grant is revenue in nature, so it is income 6000. Next is it is given the sale of furniture, book value rupees 1200, that is book value is rupees 1200. After selling the furniture we receive rupees 1000, that is it is loss, so loss on sale of furniture, loss come under expenditure side, so total is 2000. 1200 minus 1000 is 200. Next, payment side, salaries, so by salaries, so 2 salaries, expenses on refreshment, it is already adjusted. Next, electricity charge, 2 electricity charge rupees 3000. Next is sports goods purchase, it is capital in nature. Maintenance of clubhouse, maintenance of anything is revenue in nature, so it is expenditure, maintenance of clubhouse 2000. Next, annual dinner is revenue in nature and it is revenue expenditure, so it is come under expenditure side, amount is rupees 5000. Next, construction of clubhouse, construction of anything is capital in nature. Payment of outstanding expenses, we are paying in the current year, but it is outstanding expenses. Outstanding means it is related to previous year. Payment of outstanding expenses, that is it is related to previous year, so it will not considered in the income and expenditure account. Next, closing balance, not considered in the income and expenditure account. Next, in the additional information, here it is given depreciation on sports goods is rupees 3000, so it is non-cash expenditure, so to depreciation on sports goods rupees 3000. So here debit side and credit side. Debit side is greater, total amount is rupees 28,000, and in the credit side it is total 28,000, and in the debit side it is 25,200. 25,200 total debit side, and total credit side is 28,000. So difference is 2,800. 2,800 is our surplus.
Here you see the third solution. Subscribe my channel and share the video.